Okay, in this video we're going to talk about unboxing, assembly, and lighting of your new 4-strap burner. Do a quick video on the setup of your new 4-strap burner. You should receive it in 2 separate packages. Your main burner will be in a USPS priority package, and your blower will arrive to you in a separate package via Amazon delivery. So when you get your blower, this is the only thing. You'll have some accessories with it, some hoses, some adapters, some different things, but this is all you need, is this part right here with the fitting that goes over the outlet here. So this and this. And when you open up your burner package, what you will find in there is a 3/4 inch steel coupling. The steel coupling has some nice threads in it, and it will thread right on to here. Just turn it on there. It's steel going on to plastic, so you have to force it just a little bit, but it will thread, and just keep turning it until it bottoms out. Okay? Once it bottoms out, don't force it any further, otherwise you'll strip those threads out, but it does make a nice secure connection to this. So we'll set that aside. Your burner, the main body of it will already be put together. You've got your air valve here, a gate valve, and then your ball valve here for your emergency shutoff, and then a 15 psi pressure gauge, and then you'll also receive the nozzle head assembly. And I'll talk a little bit about this real quick. So you have some adaptability here. Most people are using these 3/4 inch Venturi style burners. You can pop your head off your burner or just get any 3/4 inch pipe. Most of the forges are set up to handle these 3/4 inches. So what you have here is a 3/4 inch elbow. So if you're going to hook it directly to your forge, simply remove the nozzle, and underneath the nozzle you're going to have a bushing that gets you from 3/4 to 1 inch. You can remove the bushing, and inside that bushing you have another bushing that gets you from 3/4 to 1/2 inch. So you can see the adaptability here. You've got 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. So this, you shouldn't have too much trouble hooking this to most of what people will be using in their forges. And if you just want to use the burner outside the forge, this 1 inch nozzle works very, very well for that. So to put this together, we just simply screw it into the end there. Make sure it's pointing down. Okay, so just like that. And we're gonna, for this testing purposes, we're gonna hook it up to this forge right here. It's already got a 3/4 inch pipe coming out. So we'll take our nozzle off. Don't need that. And we'll just thread it right onto here. Okay, so now we're all set up there. We've got our coupler threaded onto our blower motor. So now we're going to take and thread that onto there. Okay, I'll let that rest right there. And the last thing you'll have, if you ordered the whole complete kit is the 20 psi adjustable regulator. So, set that aside. I already have a regulator hooked to my propane tank. So we will, this is a 3/8 inch flare fitting. You don't need any gas tape on the end of this. It just needs to be tight. You see we have gas tape here, 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 and where the gas orifice is inside this fitting. There's also gas tape, but none of these other fittings need any gas tape. So don't worry about that. Once you get this finger tight, take a wrench and just turn it a little more so we're not going to get any leaks there. You can take a spray bottle with some soap and water and spray these connections to make sure you don't have any leaks. I do that before I send these off, so you should have no problem there. Okay, now we're going to talk about lighting in this upcoming clip. One thing I did not mention is you do not want more than 2 psi of gas pressure coming in when you go to light this. And remember, opening the gas valve is the last step in the sequence. Always make sure you have air and a flame inside the chamber before you open the valve. Okay, now we'll talk about lighting. You'll notice I'm holding a butane torch. These work really well for lighting the 4-strap burners. So go ahead and start the blower motor. And you want to feel inside your chamber there. Make sure there's air coming in. If not, turn that valve about a half a turn. And you will feel again for the air. We don't need a lot of air coming in there, but once you can feel a little air coming in there, go ahead and stick your torch in and open up your valve. Let some gas in, and you'll notice we have a little more gas than air, so that's a real carburizing, reducing flame coming in, so we'll let a little more air in. Get the flame where we want it. And that's it for lighting. And then you can gradually adjust the air and the gas pressure to your desired flame amount. And that's it. Thanks for watching.